All right, our fluency. Kurt, Sophia, and Franco had a paper airplane throwing contest after school. Kurt's airplane flew 8.6 yards, or 8 and 6 tenths yards. Sophia's airplane flew 2 and 2 tenths yards farther than Kurt's airplane. Franco threw his airplane 1.5 times as far as Sophia's airplane. How far did Franco's airplane fly? All right, so first of all, if we take a look here, it says, so Kurt's airplane flew 8.6 yards. So that's what we're going to kind of start with. Now, it says that Sophia's airplane flew 2.2 yards farther than Kurt's airplane. So if it flew 2.2 yards farther than that, what are we going to do there? We're going to add. So 8.6 yards, 2.2 yards, we're going to add. 6 plus 2 is 8. Drop that decimal, drop it like it's hot. 8 plus 2 is 10. So Sophia's, so we know that Kurt's is 8.6. Sophia's flew 10.8. And then it says that Franco threw his airplane 1.5 or 1.5 times farther than Sophia's airplane. So what do you think we're going to do there? We're going to multiply there. I'm going to move this up. All right, we're going to multiply. So we're going to take that 10 and 8 tenths yards, and we're going to multiply it by 1.5 yard. 5 times 8 is going to be 40. 5 times 0 is 0, plus 4 is 4. 5 times 1 is 5. We're done with that 5, so we're going to put a placeholder of 0. We're also done with that remainder 4 there. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Let's add them up. 0, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 0 is 1. Is that our answer? No, we got to move our decimal in. Put our butt cheeks in there. In 1, in 2. So in 1, in 2, we make some perfect ones there. And our answer is going to be, if I can get that. Let's see. Let's put it in. Let's put it in this color. 16 and 20 yards, or 16.2 yards. I'm going to put YDS for yards. And that's going to be it for our fluency. Great job.